After 16 years of coaching guys over 40, I can tell you why you're stuck within about 20 seconds of chatting to you. Now today, I'm going to show you the only 3 things that are probably keeping you stuck and out of shape. And what I'm talking about is going to save you months and even years of spinning your wheels and getting nowhere. Hey, Chris here from Over 40 Freaking Awesome, where I help guys in their 40s and 50s to stop making the same mistakes and finally get the body shape and energy that they're after. So everyone, of course, has their own reasons for not being the weight or the body shape that they want to be. Now, when I chat with potential clients, I need to find out, what have you tried before and why it hasn't worked? And here's what I've learned. If you are stuck, if you can't get back in shape despite your efforts and you're getting really annoyed about it, there are only really 3 possible culprits. Everyone's situation, of course, feels unique, but it always comes down to these 3 same things. If 2 of these 3 areas are messy, you will get nowhere. If 1 is messy and the other 2 are sorted, you might slowly inch forward a wee bit, but it's going to feel like swimming through treacle and you may well give up because it's so bloody slow. But if you can get all 3 of these areas dialed in, the sky really is the limit. You will look and feel awesome regardless of your age. Now, I have a quick quiz that I'll tell you exactly which of these 3 areas is your weak link. I will tell you how to get that at the end, or check out the link now in the description. Let's break down these 3 things that keep guys our age stuck. Number 1, crap programming. Your workouts and your diet approach are completely wrong for your goals and the realities of life after 40. Maybe you're trying to stick to some high maintenance program that doesn't even suit your schedule, or you're winging your workouts and meals every time. Secondly, it could be your crap hormones. Your testosterone could be lower than it should be, your cortisol could be sky high from stress, and your estrogen could be out of whack too. The result is your energy and drive are non-existent. Fat loss happens at a snail's pace too. Thirdly, it could be your crap mindset. You have unrealistic expectations about how fast things should happen. You bounce between programs and fat loss tactics every month because you don't have biceps and a 6-pack like Arnie in his prime after 3 weeks. What I have found after 16 years working with guys over 40 is that most fellas our age have at least 2 of these 3 areas working against them at any one time. Crap programming, crap hormones, or a crap mindset. Guys will spend months trying various workouts for a week at a time looking for the perfect one while their hormones are completely screwed up and their consistency and mindset around the whole thing are all over the place too. Or they'll try and fix their hormones with a load of supplements that they found online while winging things in the gym and just eating whatever. Doesn't work that way. You need all 3 of those areas firing on all cylinders. But the good news is, once you identify the weak link in your life, you can fix it pretty easily with some simple, doable habits. Because at our age, we don't have time to keep on guessing about which area needs work. You could spend another year trying random programs while your real problem is hormones or mindset. So the smart approach is to figure out now which of these 3 areas is holding you back most and then tackling that first. If you can get clarity on where to focus your energy, they can get out of this rut that you're stuck in. And you know, I see this pattern constantly with new clients. They come to me frustrated because they've been trying everything, but nothing seems to work. Within minutes of chatting, it's fairly obvious. They've been hyperfixating on the wrong area, normally hoping that their latest program would work wonders while their hormonal balance stops any progress in its tracks, and their mindset and expectations are all wrong too, so they never stay consistent, even if the program itself is amazing. But if you can fix the right culprit in your life first, suddenly everything else starts to click into place. Now, like I said, I've created this quick 2-minute quiz called the Dad Bod Fix Finder that asks you 12 short, simple, multiple choice questions about your current situation to pinpoint exactly which of those 3 areas you need to focus on first. It's not generic advice. It gives you clear direction for what to tackle. If you check out the link in the description to take the quiz, or DM me quiz on Instagram, then you'll get immediate access. You need to know where to focus your energies, and this quiz will help you do just that. But take care of yourself, mate, and I will talk to you soon.